Hello viewers, this is Biso Tatian. I have a 2013 Dodge Avenger which had the transmission replaced, and I'll be doing the transmission relearn. So I've hooked up the equipment. That is the hotel. I have the IM608 and we pull the VIN number. Okay, click on OK. This is the entire information and we proceed. We check for the DTCs. Well, the codes were cleared earlier, so this is likely going to come up empty, which it did. Okay, we hit on escape. Now let's go to control unit, then the power train. And now we'll go to special functions. And we go to quick relearn. Click on OK. Alright, so it wants us to depress the brake pedal with the engine also running on. So okay, we have the vehicle on. Engine is running now. It says we should move the shifter to drive. Once we do that, it automatically detects the changes based on the instruction that it's telling us to do. Now back to neutral. Okay. Then back to drive. Okay. And then back to park. And the learning is complete. So this is done when you change the transmission on the vehicle. This procedure is also done when you change the valve body of the transmission too. Well, this is how to go about it, and if you need our services, we program vehicle computer models, and also we program keys to vehicles too. So if you need our services, you can reach us out. We are located in the PA, New Jersey area. Thanks for watching and have a nice weekend.